Hey, what's up bros, it's Fonte here. I hope everybody's safe and healthy. And before we started, I wanna say thank you so much. We did it, you did it, 50k subscribers. I really appreciate your support. Thank you so much. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to install Google Play on this beautiful Honor 10X with Google Play icon hack. So let's get started. The first thing you have to do, bros, is go to my website. The link is in description of this video, so go to description and tap on that link, and the link takes you to my website. To this site, tap on that link, and now scroll down until you see GSpace with the Google Play icon hack. So tap on this link, and now tap on this big blue button right here and tap on download. Okay, the files are downloading right now. Okay, now go to Files Manager, open Files, go to Phone, Download, Browser, hold the finger on this file, 3 dots, right here, extract to, current directory, and tap on OK. Tap on it, and tap GSpace application, tap on it, tap on allow, and tap on install. Okay, tap on done, go back, go to settings, go to apps, tap on GSpace, search for GSpace, permissions, and allow all these permissions, bros. Without these permissions, you can't use the Google Play icon hack. So allow all these permissions. Okay, go back, tap on GSpace, tap on start, and now we have to wait. By the way, this is my son's smartphone. He's 3 years old and he's playing Sonic. Good boy. So now, as you can see, the GSpace application is loading. I know, this is not the fastest phone, but we are almost there, almost 100%. Okay, we are there. At this time, don't open anything, go back, and again, go to Files, open this application, install this application, tap on install, open the application, got it, and go back, and now open this file, tap on it, tap on other, and choose shortcut maker right here, and tap on always, brothers, and tap on create shortcut. Now tap on add, and we are done. And as you can see, we have finally the Google Play shortcut from our GSpace application. So now if you want to log in with your Gmail, Google account, tap on this new icon right here. I will show you. Tap on sign in. Google Play Protect is turned on. That's a good sign. So go back. Okay, and now you have to log in with your Gmail account or Google account. So I will do it for you right now. Be patient. Tap on yes, I'm in. Because I'm in, tap on agree. Tap on accept. And we are here. And from here I can download everything I want. So let's try YouTube. Tap on install. And the YouTube application will be installed on this on 10X Lite. As you can see, the app is now downloading into my device. Almost there. Okay, we're done. And now I will tap on open. Tap on open. And this is the YouTube application. Search for Fontech. And let's try this video. Even ads working. Very nice. I will skip this. Hey, what's up, Ross? It's Walter here. I hope everybody's safe and healthy. With this Google Play icon hack, there is no need to open the GSpace application for installing some applications. As you can see, this is a big downside. If you haven't the Google Play icon, you have to tap on some shortcut right here, and the shortcut takes you to Google Play. It's over. It's over GSpace because we have the icon right here on the home screen. So if I want right now to install some other applications, all I have to do is tap on this Google Play icon right here. And this takes me to my Google account on this beautiful on 10X Lite. As you can see, the Google Play is working very fine. So let's try another application. Let's try TikTok. TikTok. TikTok, TikTok. So tap on install. And the application again will be installed on this Honor 10X Lite. And the TikTok application is right now installing on this beautiful Honor 10X Lite. Don't forget to subscribe us, it is very important. I very appreciate your support. Like the video, share the video, and as always, stay bros.